Top 50 shades of red. Phthalo red, sunset orange, terracotta, valentine, brownish red, rose gold, Christmas red, brick red, flame red, cherry red, brown, cadmium red, old red, cardinal red, dark cherry, mahogany, true garnet, red leather, claret, sango red, iridescent red, red stone, akako red, tether red, coral pink, pastel red, vermilion, turkey red, magenta, pink, maroon, auburn, carnelian, redwood, tomato red, Indian red, coquelicot, rose red, oxblood, fire engine red, tawny, red violet, neon red, carmine red, raspberry, wine red, candy apple red, russet, alizarin crimson, blood red. Thanks for watching.